Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk through how to write a 2 weeks notice letter. This is one of the most important professional letters you might write, as it helps you leave a job on good terms while maintaining professionalism. I'll guide you step by step, breaking it down paragraph by paragraph, so you can confidently write your own. Let's get started. Header and contact information. The first part of the letter is the header, where you include your personal contact information. At the top of the page, write your name, your address, your city, state, and zip code. Below that, include your email address and phone number. This makes it clear who is writing the letter and provides ways for your employer to contact you if needed. Next, you'll include the date when you're submitting this notice. This is critical because the 2-week period begins from this date. Be precise and double-check the date before moving on. Manager's information. After the date, include the contact information for your manager or the recipient of the letter. Write their name, the company name, and the company's address, following the same format as your own. If you know their official title, feel free to include that, but keeping it simple is just fine too. This ensures the letter is clearly directed to the right person. Subject line. Now include a subject line like 2 weeks notice. This is optional, but it adds a layer of professionalism and makes the purpose of the letter immediately clear at a glance. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference. Opening paragraph, notice of resignation. Let's get into the body of the letter, starting with the opening paragraph. Here you clearly state your intention to resign. Start with something like, I am writing to formally provide my 2 weeks notice of resignation from my position as your job title at company name. Then you specify your final working day by calculating 2 weeks from the date on the letter. For example, my last working day will be specific date. This paragraph is all about being clear and straightforward, so your employer knows exactly when your notice period ends. Second paragraph, express gratitude. In the next paragraph, take a moment to express your gratitude. This part helps to leave a positive impression and acknowledges the value of your time at the company. For example, you can say something like, this decision was not made lightly, as my time at company name has been both professionally rewarding and personally fulfilling. Then highlight some specific achievements or opportunities you're thankful for. For instance, I am incredibly grateful for the opportunities I've had to grow, the support from my colleagues, and the chance to contribute to specific projects. This shows appreciation and helps maintain a good relationship even after you leave. Third paragraph, offer to help transition. Now, in the third paragraph, offer to assist during the transition period. This demonstrates professionalism and goodwill. You might write something like, in the coming weeks, I will do everything I can to ensure a smooth transition. Then outline specific ways you can help, like training your replacement, documenting workflows, or completing outstanding tasks. For instance, I am happy to assist in training a replacement or completing any pending projects. This assures your employer that you're committed to leaving things in order. Closing paragraph, thank you and sign off. Finally, in the closing paragraph, thank your employer again and end on a positive note. You could write something like, thank you for your understanding and support. I look forward to staying in touch and hope our paths cross again in the future. Then sign off with sincerely or another professional closing, followed by your full name. If you're printing the letter, make sure to include your signature above your typed name for an added touch of professionalism. And that's how you write a 2 weeks notice letter. Each part has its purpose, from making your intentions clear to expressing gratitude and offering a smooth transition. This letter sets the tone for a respectful departure and leaves the door open for future opportunities with your employer. I hope this breakdown helps you craft your own notice with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video here on Writing Practices.